Beautiful friends, good morning. Welcome to the garden with me, Eve. I will just getting some blueberry, mulberry in the ground. Look at this. Let me see if I can show you her. Look at her. This one, she's the Afghanistan mulberry. They're so sweet though. This one dropped. Very sweet. I just dropped this one. I will just pick up mulberry in the garden. Oh, there's more. Look at this. That's what I'm snacking on. And they everywhere. They everywhere. I have so much I don't even harvest them anymore. And I cut this tree completely. And she's still giving me a lot of things. I need to go and clean the yard a little bit, but I'm not into that today. I have my neem tree here and my dying avocado, which is to survive the heat. Yep. Thank you, friends, for watching. I'm not on the right mood today.